Welcome back to the Teaching Corner. In our previous lesson, we learned how to use the article a. Now it's time to learn its partner, an. Let me ask you a few quick questions. Which one is correct? A apple or an apple? A egg or an egg? A umbrella or an umbrella? Now here's a tricky one. An university or a university. Did that surprise you? If these examples have ever confused you, you're not alone. But don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use an. There's just one simple rule to remember. So, are you ready? Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use an. Now, let's learn the rule. An is an indefinite article, just like a. We use an before a singular countable noun that begins with a vowel sound. Now here's the most important thing to remember. Don't look at the first letter. Listen to the first sound. That's the secret. We choose a or an based on pronunciation, not spelling. Let's look at some examples. An apple. Apple begins with a vowel sound. An egg. Egg also begins with a vowel sound. An elephant. An orange. An umbrella. Each one begins with a vowel sound, so we use an. Now look at these words. Hour, honest, honor, air. What do you notice? All of these words begin with the letter H. So, should we use a? No. Why? Because the H is silent. We don't pronounce it. Listen carefully. Hour, honest, honor, air. So we say an hour, an honest person, an honor, an air, because each word begins with a vowel sound. Now let's compare two words. University, umbrella. Both begin with the letter U, but listen carefully. University begins with the U sound. So we say a university. Now listen to this word. Umbrella. It begins with a vowel sound, so we say an umbrella. Same letter, different sounds. That's why the articles are different. Now you know the secret. Always choose a or an based on the sound, not the spelling. If the word begins with a vowel sound, use an. If the word begins with a consonant sound, use a. Remember, listen to the sound, not the letter. That's the golden rule. Great job! Now you know how to use both a and an correctly. In our next lesson, we'll learn the final article, the. You'll discover exactly when to use the and when you shouldn't use it. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Toodles!